I don't know the name, but it's kind of a dam, but I think it's filled with coffee waste. So yeah, there it is. Hope you can see it. Let me find somewhere. Yeah, there it is, there it is, there it is. Hope you've seen it. There it is there. Maybe I'll read it for you. I can't. Can I zoom? Let me see. Okay, let me read it for you. It says, caution, wastewater lagoon. Oh, okay. It's a lagoon. Yeah, it's a wastewater lagoon. And as you can see, this is coffee waste or wastewater. Plantation. It goes up to down there. Will we be able to see coffee fruits? No, they are not yet ready. But the plantation is big, it goes up to down there. So guys, here we are at the road that will take us to the coffee plantation or coffee farm. Yeah, and I think the land starts from here. There is a, is it a waste, what is it called? Somewhere where all the wastes of the coffee are being poured. I'll show you. Somewhere will comment. Is it a dam, a waste dam or something of that sort? Let me try and lift my tripod so that you can see. There, I don't know the name, but it's kind of a dam, but I think it's filled with coffee waste. So yeah, there it is. Hope you can see it. Let me find somewhere. Yeah, there it is, there it is, there it is. Hope you've seen it. There it is. So let's proceed to where the farm is. Where the farm is, where the coffee farm is. I think they have a coffee farm and the coffee processing plant at the same time. They have all of it. So I'll show you. Stick around. Let's walk and see. Ooh. So people are farming. It's raining. You can see maize. We have green onions. And then kales. We have kales and maize behind. And on the other side, we have cabbage. I don't know if you can be able to see it. On the farthest end, we have cabbage. So I don't know what this is, but I don't know what it is, but it's used for coffee. So this is the waste that I was talking about, and as you can see, it is going direct to where I was showing you. Yeah, and there is a caution there. Maybe I'll read it for you. I can't. Can I zoom? Let me see. Okay, let me read it for you. It says, caution, wastewater lagoon. Oh, okay. It's a lagoon. Yeah, it's a wastewater lagoon. And as you can see, This is coffee waste or waste water that has waste of processed coffee. Here it is. There it is. So the lagoon is behind there, the one that I was showing you. It's a lagoon. Okay, let's proceed. So there is this, I don't know what this is. It looks like a biodigester, but I've never seen such a biodigester. Then it has something at the back, looks like a tank, storage tank. I don't know what that is. Anyone who has an idea of what that is, kindly comment below. Tell us about it. Yeah. So there is water that is coming from the coffee factory. I wish I was able to get in and show you how this place is big. So you can see this is the gate that goes in. So they are saying Jungle Estate Factory, please entry, restricted entry and no smoking. Usiingie bila idhini. Usiingie bila idhini means like the place is restricted and you cannot go in without permission. So let's proceed. So you can see that's the inside, guys. That's the inside. That's the inside. So yeah, it's cool. Let me ask if you can go inside. Hi, habari?
Papa.
Naulizia hapa kwa factory ya coffee, ukitaka kuingia kuna fee unalipia?
No, but not. Maybe you come on working days.
On working days. So
like today was.
Nasema like nikikuja on working days naweza ingia?
You talk to the office and supervisor. I think you can't be charged.
Oh, I can't be charged. Ya kuangalia.
Ile inafanywa.
Yeah, processing.
Wezi.
Okay, sawa, asante.
Kuna wageni huwa wanakuja. And I don't think kuna charges.
Okay, sawa, thank you. I'll try on Monday. Yeah, so guys, I was asking if we can go in and if there are charges that is required for us to go in, and I've been told no, there are no charges. I just come on Monday and try it out because there are people who always come here. So here we have tap water, and something funny is that this tap water is free. It's free. You can use it freely and it's clean. You can see I'm drinking it. Free. So let's proceed. So guys, if you want to say the processing, the process of processing coffee, type down there, comment below, so that we can come on Monday and ask about the process of getting permission to, we can ask the process of getting permission to film inside. Yeah, because it's a restricted area or a restricted place, we are kind of even invading their privacy by filming without their consent. But it's okay, let's just do it. If we get arrested, he'll come for my rescue. So guys, as you can see, this fence, it belongs to the coffee factory, and yeah, it belongs to the coffee factory and coffee plantain. Let me ask. Hello. Naulizia nikitaka kukuja hapa, naulizia if I want to come inside, do I have to pay? So I can never take picture and videos. Now I'm asking if I come on working days, is it allowed? It's not allowed. Oh, sawa. Okay, thank you. Na huku juu kumefungwa. Leo kuna kupita huko? Oh, unainama? Sawa, asante. Haya. So guys, there. Asbestos workers in progress. So I was asking the security guy if I can come on a working day and ask for permission to film inside, to take footages, if it's allowed. And he has said no. So there, the factory is inside there, and he has said no, it's not allowed. It's not allowed to film, which is okay. I think it's within their rights to ask for their privacy, or to tell people not to film or take footages of the processes that is going on inside there. So guys, we are here. This is the coffee plantation. This is the coffee plantation. It goes up to down there. Will we be able to see coffee fruits? No. They are not yet ready. But the plantation is big. It goes up to down there. It's so unfortunate that we cannot go. We cannot film inside the factory. So this is where the boundary of the factory is. The boundary of the plantation and the factory is where I'm standing. This road. This is the factory, and on this other side is the plantation. So in short, on my left is the plantation. You can see it goes up to down there. The road goes on. So guys, let's try and see if we will see the coffee fruits. Yeah. Here you can see, but they are not yet ripe or ripe. They are still green. Yeah. They are still green, not yet ready. Not yet ready, not yet ready. Most of them are green. Most of them are green. They are supposed to be this color. That's the color of coffee fruit that is ready. So yeah. So guys, I'm here at the coffee plantation saying my goodbyes because we've been denied access to the factory, and more so today is not a working day, and even if it was a working day we would have been given access to the factory, but we would have not been allowed to film inside. So yeah, it's okay. We will try another day and see if we will get access. Try and find the management, talk to them and see if they will allow us to film inside. If they will accept, well and fair. If they refuse, it's also good. So that's the video for today. Kindly like, comment, watch, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Good vibes, and inshallah as always. See you in the next video.